हाय टुडे ये जो वीडियो मैं कर रहा हूँ ना, दिस इज बीइंग डन ऑन वेरी सीरियस पॉपुलर डिमांड, यानी कि आपकी डिमांड, आपने बोला, यू आस्क्ड फॉर इट, हु एम आई टू से नो। कुछ और वीडियोस मैंने किए थे इन द लास्ट फ्यू मंथ्स जहाँ मैंने बात की थी अबाउट हाउ इंपॉर्टेंट सर्टन गैजेट्स हैव बिकम इन दिस पैंडेमिक एंड देन द लाइफ आफ्टर। ऐसे ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स दैट वी यूज्ड टू टेक फॉर ग्रांटेड, हम लोगों ने उनको कोई ज़्यादा थॉट नहीं दी, एंड नाउ दे हैव बिकम एब्सोल्यूट लाइफ सेवर्स, एंड सम अदर्स दैट हम लोग को वर्शिप करते थे, बट दोज प्रोडक्ट्स टर्न्ड आउट टू बी false gods. I'll give you a list, quick list, मेरी list है ये, of the products that we now know are essential within a pandemic and even after. सबसे पहले, very importantly, obviously a laptop. लोगों ने सोचा था यार फोन या टैबलेट is good enough, I don't really need a laptop, लेकिन ये बिल्कुल ही गलत निकला. We were absolutely and totally wrong. A laptop is now essential. वीडियो कॉल्स हो रही हैं, वर्क फ्रॉम होम हो रहा है, होमवर्क चिल्ड्रन कर रहे हैं, क्लासेस चल रही हैं, प्रोजेक्ट्स कंप्लीट हो रहे हैं. अ लैपटॉप इज द गैजेट नाउ. देन ऑफ कोर्स a good phone, no gimmick, no hype, no marketing type वाले phones, really good phones जिसमें एक nice big full HD screen हो, big battery हो, गर्म नहीं होता phone with long sessions of usage, very critical to have that phone. Then a very good Wi-Fi router and a good speedy broadband connection. आजकल multiple video sessions चल रहे हैं हम लोग के घरों में, various rooms में various काम हो रहा है. So these two are an absolute lifeline. Then a great TV and a subscription to an OTT service, or many of them. हमने survive ही किया lockdown and we didn't go insane because we were at least entertained. But you know, there is one other thing that we never considered, जो कि बहुत ही important था, and we truly discovered that it is such an important gadget. It became the hero of the pandemic and it continues to do so even now. वो क्या है? A vacuum cleaner. देखिए, there was no help available, people were not coming home, most people were doing their own home cleaning, और एक vacuum cleaner became the single greatest gift to mankind. और ये और भी important हो गया because you know, we Indians, we are very unique in one thing. हम लोग ना, we take great pride in keeping our homes super clean and spick and span. Our homes are like our temples, right? Has to be absolutely perfect at all times. But unfortunately, ये जो vacuum cleaner as a category है ना, for most people ये बिल्कुल brand new category है. ज़्यादा information नहीं है, knowledge नहीं है. People don't really know what to look for. किस प्रकार का हम लोग vacuum cleaner खरीदें, because there are many type. कौन से features necessary हैं? What kind to buy? What works in an Indian home, जो कि बहुत important है. So, this is when Eureka Forbes came out with this brand new vacuum cleaner. तो मैंने सोचा एक साथ दो काम करते हैं. We'll review this. This is a very very nice vacuum cleaner. लेकिन साथ साथ मैं आपको बताते जाऊंगा what is important and how to buy the right vacuum cleaner for your home. So let's get started. ये है Forbes का Drift Cordless Vacuum Cleaner with Blower. अब सबसे important चीज़ें तो है ना, that really matter are in the name itself. यानी कि पहली चीज़, obviously it's cordless, therefore it runs on battery, which is very critical, and I'll tell you why. Number two, it has a blower function, which is very unique and rare in cordless products, also very critical, and I'll tell you why. Now let's dig deeper. देखिए, सबसे पहले तो it's very nice looking, very futuristic है, nice clean lines हैं, upright है, plus handheld है ये. Also it's very very well built. You know, this will last you a lifetime. Now to the most important features that are really making this a different one. It's cordless, यानी कि ये बहुत ही essential feature है, because if you have to lug around or wheel around एक बहुत big heavy vacuum cleaner, room to room आप जाएंगे, long cord होगा, plug करेंगे, unplug करेंगे, gets very frustrating very quickly. ये जो है is very light, very easy to handle. इसमें है 2200 mAh की बैटरी that easily will last you around 30 minutes, और रिचार्ज भी बहुत ही क्विकली होता है, around 4 hours में it is ready to go again. इसमें एक motorized brush है that can be used on all surfaces including marble हो, wood हो, carpets हो, any floor surface, it actually works on that. Very powerful. 6500 RPM with a 180 watt motor, बहुत पावरफुल है. जैसे मैंने कहा, ये रिमूव कर देगा डीप एम्बेडेड डर्ट एंड डस्ट, मेकिंग श्योर द होम जो आपका जो है ना इज नॉट जस्ट क्लीन बट ऑल्सो हेल्दी. इसमें जो सक्शन है, इट इज एक्चुअली रियली ग्रेट, बिकॉज व्हाट वी टेस्टेड, इट रिमूव्स डीप सीटेड डस्ट, डर्ट एंड डस्ट माइट्स. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. दो मोड्स हैं इसमें, हाई एंड लो. बट द पार्ट दैट आई रियली लाइक इज द powerful blower built in. Now this is another important feature. Indian homes के लिए it is a must because we have to blow out dust and dirt from hard to reach areas जहाँ पे बहुत heavily embedded होता है. Drift also comes with a range of huge number of accessories for varied cleaning needs. 9 different kind of accessories आप इसमें attach कर सकते हैं that suit every Indian home cleaning requirement. इसमें things हैं like an extension tube, a crevice brush, a hose pipe for flexibility, a pet brush for pet hair है, flexi cleaner है, blower nozzle है, so lots more. So pretty much any kind of cleaning task is taken care of with these add-on accessories. And then another feature that I really liked, very easy dust disposable. ये machine में बहुत ही easy dust disposable mechanism है. You can empty the dust container with just a push of a button. तो आपने touch नहीं करना, all that icky stuff that you just vacuumed up from your house, उसको touch करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Forbes Drift की price जो है बहुत अच्छी है, MRP of rupees 15,999. काफ़ी aggressive and amazing price है for all the things it does. Now like I said, ये एक review था of the Drift as well as a lot of information on what are the most important features that you must check before you buy a vacuum cleaner. Be sure you keep this list handy when you're taking that final decision to invest in a vacuum cleaner that really works on a daily basis in your house. कोई भी और सवाल हो, any more questions, do send them to me in the comment section below.